do it up all days. We'll do it up.
Amy.
All days. Like making.
Amy's giving instructions and Daddy's doing the assembly of the cradle because we don't have too much time left.
Up on his bed. All day.
All days. Which one, Amy? Just like that one, huh? These are the pieces and the inside is white. I'll show you guys as soon as it's complete. It's so hot today, I cannot breathe. So that's probably the top part. Daddy's almost finishing the bassinet and just the last pieces left. It's gonna look like this at the end. Let's see. Eddie Bauer. So this is the finished look, and it has to stay in the living room for now because our room is a mess, and we'll put it as soon as we clean it. And now with the rest of the carton boxes, Daddy's making a rocket ship for Amy. Yeah, we took out the car seat also, and you know, the travel system and stuff. So slowly we're getting ready. Bye.